Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? StickerCon Manila here in Alabang Town Center. Siyempre in Alabang. So let's check this event kung anong meron silang mga goodies. So lakad tayo ng konti. Let's go! First part nitong event is this very beautiful art. So pins, paintings, drawings from Claustrophoque. Napakaganda. And dito naman sa medyo konti lang sa side. So there are also other drawings and paint arts na binibenta. May mga stickers din, mugs, and mga notepads. Then here, medyo madaming tao and as you can see, left and right, medyo jam-packed yung area. So ito, meron din dito mga notepad and sticker pads. Ito, sticker arts or stickers din. Tingnan nyo naman, napakaganda ng pagkakagawa. Tingnan nyo yung drawings or artworks. It's very fascinating. So ito yung mga mugs. Then meron din silang mga pens, books, stickers. Well, syempre, anong asahan natin? Stickers. Syempre, sticker con nga di ba? Then, this one are enamels, more pins, sticker tape. I think that's what it called. Then, may stuffed toys din. Then, lakad tayo dito sa kabilang side. So, this one, from PLJs. Mga sticker and cute characters ang kanilang ina-offer. Sa tabi nila ay ito. Like ayan, mga stickers as well. And ito ay mga cutie animal designed na stickers and mga notepads. So dito naman ay ayan, coasters, lagay ng coffee, something like that, keychains. Meron din silang syempre sticker pads and ito mga sticker na pwede sa laptops, cellphones, then keychain, and ito napakaganda na tote bag. Very unique. Then this side right here, paint job. So ayan, kita nyo naman yung artwork ko. Napakaganda, ang cool nung nagdo-drawing. So ganda dyan. Then dito mga for bracelet something for cutie girls and artworks, dolls na keychain, bracelets, stickers, more stickers, and enamels. So dito naman ay ayan. So meron sila yung parang painting na nag-iiba-iba yung itsura pag gumagalaw. So parang 3D something. I don't know what exactly it called. Then ito mga sticker characters na cute. Mga cats, ducks, may rabbits din dito, dogs. Yan. So yan, may mga minifigurine din. Then ayun, may ghost din. So mugs, parang mga notepads, stickers, more stickers, lots of stickers. So overall, for young adults and teenagers, perfect ng event na to. So visit them. Let's go.